How to make money on Pinterest. Pinterest isn't just for inspiration, it's a powerful tool to earn money. And here's how to monetize your pins step by step. So, start by creating a Pinterest business account. This unlocks analytics, ads, and monetization features. Add affiliate links to your pins. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission, perfect for niches like fashion, home decor, and wellness. Create pins that link to your digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses. Pinterest traffic keeps generating sales long after posting. Use pins to funnel users to your blog or YouTube channel. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, or subscriptions. If you run an online store, link pins directly to your products. Pinterest users often browse with buying intent. As for audience growth, collaborate with brands, sponsored pins. This works best if you have a strong niche following. The most practical starting point is affiliate marketing plus driving traffic to your blogs or YouTube. Once you grow, expand into digital products and partnerships.